Ringing for peace.
9, 10.
How many do they do? 11?
One more.
All right.
Thank you, Joe. We'll have a moment of silence, and then Doug Nelson will say a few words, and then Kalila will do the dance of peace for us. And after that, if anybody wants to say a few words, we can do that too. So let's have a moment of silence. Today, Veterans for Peace and others of like intent will not be beating the drums of war. We will not be displaying weaponry, and we will not be wearing scraps of military uniforms. Congress, 1926, recurring anniversary of November the 11th, should be commemorated with thanksgiving and prayer and exercises designed to perpetuate peace for goodwill and mutual understanding among nations. 1926. 1938. Dedicate to the cause of world peace and to be hereafter celebrated and known as Armistice Day.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. I'm a peace dancer. I dance for peace in every heart. I do that everywhere. It's my spiritual work forever. So thank you all. I hope you like it.